Namaste friends. Today we'll get to know about a very interesting plant which is called as shampoo ginger, avapuhi, Hawaii ginger or shampoo ginger lily. It belongs to the Gingiberaceae family and its scientific name is Gingiber zerumbeth. It has a slight fragrance of ginger. It has a pine cone shaped inflorescence which when squeezed gives a transparent liquid. It is antibacterial and also forms a slight lather when mixed with water and rubbed on our skin. So, hence, it is also called as nature's shampoo. Hawaiians widely use it in shampoos, soaps, conditioners, moisturizers, and many other beauty and personal care products. Not only this avapuhi is used in all these personal care products, but also it is edible. The leaf stalks, the roots, which are the rhizomes, are all having medicinal properties. They are anti-inflammatory, helpful in treating diarrhea, intestinal worms, acts as a digestive, and also helps to prevent free radical damage of our cells due to the high antioxidants present in them. So let us make use of these kind of natural ingredients that are available to us and make ourselves free from these harmful chemicals. Thank you all so much.